Hi, guys, welcome to TeleZ Updates. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today is about Jodha Akbar, how Jalal claims to divorce Jodha, and how Queen Hamida and Jodha bonds together once again, after the rift between them. And how Salim decides to tell Manbai he does not love her but Anarkali. We saw in the previous episode that Salim and Murad are still fighting over the crown of the next king in waiting. Jodha is extremely tense. Meanwhile, Hamida becomes ill as Jodha refuses to obey her order to change religion. Unfortunately, Jodha decides to change her religion, but Jalal arrives and puts a stop to it. He becomes enraged with Jodha for attempting to change the religion without his permission. Today's episode begins with Jalal becoming enraged when he sees Jodha about to change her religion despite his request that she does not do so. Jalal brings almost everything from the locker where he stated that Jodha only wants money. As Jalal decides to divorce Jodha, Jodha simply takes the earrings that Hamida had given her as her alumni. Jalal agrees to leave from there as well. Hamida prevents Jodha from leaving. Jalal makes this decision to show Hamida that forcing Jodha to change her religion is wrong. Hamida accepts and apologizes for her actions. She instructs Jalal not to divorce Jodha. Jalal is pleased to see Jodha and Hamida bonding. Everyone is overjoyed about the same thing. Jalal apologizes to Jodha for causing the divorce issue, but Jodha is offended and leaves. Jalal goes to appease Jodha. She becomes enraged with him and begins packing her belongings. Jalal tries to explain, but Jodha ignores him. Jalal leads her up to the balcony. He tells her that he will be with her until the stars come out. He also tells Jodha that he staged the entire drama to clear up any misunderstandings between Hamida and her. Jodha also pretends to be furious with him. Jalal is willing to accept any punishment in order to appease her. Jodha invites him to meet her whenever she wants, and she sets many more conditions for him to stay with her. Jalal agrees to all of the terms. Jodha becomes emotional and begs him not to consider divorcing her. After a while, Salim arrives to meet Jodha. She chastises him for defending her in front of Jalal. Jodha also makes him realize that Jalal, his father, adores him. After a long time, Salim calls her mother. Jodha becomes overly emotional when he experiences happiness. She also requests that Salim accept the crown of the king in waiting. Hoshiar, on the other hand, prepares a few instruments for Ruqya so that she can vent her rage on Hoshiar because Jalal does not grant Jodha a divorce. But Ruqya shares that she had a feeling Jalal was up to something, so she decides not to be upset. She also decides to sway Salim's opinion by doing whatever it takes to create rifts between Jodha and Salim. Murad is not pleased when Salim finally accepts the king's crown the following day. Murad is instigated by Haidar's uncle against Jalal. Jodha's eyes well up with tears as she sees Salim accept the throne. Ruqya decides against allowing Salim to get any closer to Jodha Begum. But she is taken aback when she learns that Salim refers to Jodha as his mother. Jodha and Jalal spend some quality time together at night. Meanwhile, Salim visits the brothel in order to meet Anarkali. Salim assures her that he will speak with Jodha about their relationship soon. Anarkali is flushed. Salim is confident that Jodha will pacify Jalal in exchange for Salim and Anarkali's alliance. They have some romantic moments together. Jalal and Jodha had a good day the next day as well. While taking a bath, Jalal becomes a little naughty with Jodha. By dragging her into the water, here are some romantic scenes. This, and this. Jalal later inquires about Jodha's English classes. Jodha Begum thinks he's attractive. She also convinces him that she has learned a lot about the language. By that time, Jalal has received a letter from Bhagwan Das requesting that the wedding date of Salim and Manbai be set. Jodha is overjoyed and departs to make all the necessary preparations. Meanwhile, Arang Banu arrives at Salim's house. She tells him about Bhagwan Das' message. Salim becomes tense. Salim goes to Anarkali's house. He tells her that he is going to tell Manbai that he does not love her and will not be able to marry her. Anarkali feels bad about stealing Manbai's right to Salim's love. When Salim decides to marry Anarkali at any cost, Hoshiar overhears the conversation. The Queen of England, on the other hand, sends Jodha some gifts. Jalal is overjoyed about the same. Jalal insists that Jodha try on the dress that the Queen of England has sent for him. Jodha looks stunning in her gown. Jalal goes insane when he sees Jodha in the gown. He maintains his gaze on Jodha. Jodha's face flushes. They are both having a good time. Jalal also teaches Jodha some ball dance moves. Thanks. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.